Okay, next is to create the code. First, let's see how to create the code. When you click the data button here, the related skills should be displayed in the work label. When the front end button is clicked, the related skills should be displayed in this label. So let's make the code. We are still in the design tab of the skills screen. I am going to the blocks tab now. Now we can create the code here. First, let's consider the case of clicking the data button. When the data button is clicked in the label 1. Database creation, 2. Database retrieval, 3. Data update. 3 rows should be displayed. For this, click on the data button in the lower left part of the screen where the components are displayed and drag a when data button click code block here. Now, because the text of the work label needs to be changed, a set works text to code block under the work component is dragged here. If we want to display only one row in this label, we can type the text we want here. But for this, we need 3 rows. So we need to use the join code block in the text group. In this way, I drag a join code block and connect the set works text to the code block. Now from here, you can remove the word hello and give the text to be displayed in the first row. Here I type 1 database collection. Since there are inverted commas in this code block, we do not type inverted commas. Now we need to go to a row. We don't need the word block below this block. So we need to delete this block. How to delete a code block? There are 2 ways to do it. In this way, right-click on the code block and delete the block can be given. Or in this way, you can drag the code block to the recycle bin on the bottom right side of the screen. Okay, now the word code block is removed. Next, join a code block under the text is connected to the place where the word code block was before. Now we need to remove the hello code block here. I drag the code block to this recycle bin. We connect a new line code block under the text where the code block was before. Okay, now we are in the second row. In this row, the text to database retrieval should be displayed. The word code block here is removed as before and the join code block in the text group is connected here. Let's remove the word hello here and give to database retrieval. Now we have finished creating 2 rows of the text. Next, we need to go to the third row. This word code block is dragged into the recycle bin and removed. Next, let's connect a join code block under the text here. From here, remove the hello code block and drag a new line code block in the text instead. Now we are in the third row. In the third row, 3 data update should be displayed. So here, remove the word world and type 3 data updation. Okay, now we have finished creating the code for clicking the data button. Let's click the live test button here. I click on the data button. In this way, in the work label, the skills we provided in the code are displayed. Now click this close button and create the rest of the code.